learn to see how beautiful our earth is and learn to love this earth just the way it is right here and right now. Because if we push away the very thing that's in front of us and wish for something different, we cannot be happy. Because happiness is not lies in tomorrow. Can you see snow? I mean, that is dropping, it's still snowing. That's the thing. Okay, take you out so that I can talk to you. Let me move. I just wear actually this pullover I made for Kai, and I have my kind of like big blanket, big scarf, like a blanket. So today I just want to connect with you with this beautiful weather. Even it's snowing, and for some of you, you don't like the snow, but snowing is so refreshing. Like when the snow is falling down, when it's snowing, it's so refreshing and it's so it's purifying, you know, the feelings, the breath that you take it in is so fresh and clean. I really love it. I just feel like sometimes we need to see life in the way that life wants to present itself to us, you know. Stop to fighting and asking for something different, because today now you have this beautiful winter. If you are in the place that have winter, we just have to embrace this change and embrace this beautiful world, beautiful earth. Learn to see how beautiful our earth is and learn to love this earth just the way it is right here and right now. Because if we push away the very thing that's in front of us and wish for something different, we cannot be happy. Because happiness is not lies in tomorrow, hope or wish. You can make a wish, you can have a beautiful hope, you can pray, but the happiness is right here and right now. When the snow is falling, when there's raining, when it's sun is shining, when life is offering itself to us. So yeah, my dear one, I wish you take a moment to connect with yourself, with the earth, with the sky, with the naked trees, and just enjoy this journey. I know it has been so many changes here on earth and in my life, in your life perhaps. I think so. There's so many things moving and not easy at times, but we have to learn to see the beautiful part, that, you know, the gift that come with it. I have been dealing with many feelings inside myself, and today, now, here and now, I just want to enjoy my life as it is. And a big change already happened on my day, on my business, on my work, and I want to invite you to join us. I know many of you are excited and already join us on this journey. My Luna Corazon YouTube channel is still going to be tutorials, the sample of the project I'm making, gonna teach you and show you how I do my work, but I'm going to concentrate more on teaching those who want to learn how to design, because this is something I'm passionate about and something I always want to do for a long time, and now I feel like it is the time. So my Luna Corazon channel won't be only tutorials, it's gonna be video like this that I take you out, see the snow, and to just talk to you and share with you me and my life and my day and the journey that I'm embracing and moving toward and with it. And I want to take you along with me. We are now open yesterday, actually, Crochet Designing Universe, and we want you to join us. Come and join us. It's really it's very a wonderful platform, I would say, because we just started yesterday and there's already so many beautiful conversations going on. And I love this so much. I love that you come together and you learn. You know, when I start, I feel so lonely because I look around, no one actually doing what I do. No one are a crochet designer or have a similar dreams like I do. And you know, I take just a long way to learn what I know now, and I feel like now is the time for me to share with those who want to learn from me. And this Crochet Crochet Designing Universe is actually a platform that I use. It's like a Facebook group, and we use it as a platform to learn, and is an extension of my Patreon site. So yeah, come enjoy our Patreon site, become a patron, invest in yourself to learn the craft, the thing that you love the most. And yeah, it's just an invitation. You make your own decision, dear one. You want to join me? I'll be so happy to walk beside you and have you close to me and just learn this journey together. But if you feel like no, you rather follow the pattern and not yet ready to be a creator, not yet ready to be a thinker, I totally get it. Just stay here and enjoy the content that I will be sharing with you here. But when you're ready, knowing that I am here as your friend, as your mentor, as the one you can ask questions, the one that you can turn to when you want to know more about designing, when you want to create your own garment, your own very piece that comes from your heart. And I will be very happy to guide you and be with you. Oh, the snow is coming even stronger. Can you see? I really wanted to see this side to see how strong the snow. Yeah, I think you can see. All right, I think I'm gonna walk a bit here and then go back to have some cacao. Okay, dear one, I talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye bye. And oh, by the way, look, this is a pullover. I don't know if I show you yet, but this is a tutorial you can find on my channel here. Is actually I made it for Kai, so it's like a man's sweater, but in fact I love it and I want to have it, but I cannot. I just borrow it. All right, dear one, let me know in the comment below if you have any question, and if you like this type of video, if you want me to take you for a walk again, just let me know in the comment below. And yeah, find me on Patreon and Crochet Designing Universe. Today is a live session for I'm going to share about how I choose the stitch to work in my design and give you tips of how you can also, you know, just what I think, the tips that might be useful for you. And if you can join live session, you can ask the question directly. But if you cannot, you can just watch it in replay in our Crochet Designing Universe group. Mwah! Bye bye again. See you later.